Hey guys, it's December 22nd. Happy winter solstice. And yeah, here at the Haven, you won't believe what I'm looking at. Well, I guess you could because it's here and you're going to see a picture of it. So yeah, uh, seeing the house come in, well, half of it, we saw half of it come in. We missed the other half just because we were cold that day on Monday. It was very chilly. Yeah, I could not. I have good winter boots. I do. And I had long johns on and pants and winter coat and all that jazz. And I was frozen. My feet just wouldn't warm up. So we went to the neighbors and had a tea and cookies and warmed up. Yes, it was wonderful. But we did show you the back half of the house going on. So that was kind of cool. Seeing it up in the air, oh my God, that was crazy. Anyway, I will turn it around. No one's here, which I don't know, maybe they're on lunch. Maybe. Um, but Hydro One is here. Well, their equipment is. And we thought they were working on the house today. Maybe they're on lunch too. Who knows? Anyway, we're here. And yeah, I'll turn you around and keep you in suspense no longer. Okay, there is the house. Look at that. Okay. Trailer in the way here. The dogs were just they're loving it here today. Yeah. Can't see in, can't get in. The doors are locked. So, but there's our front porch. Front door, living room, den, and bedroom. And you guys want to see around back? Okay. I'm hoping you said yes. If you didn't, well, okay, see you. Bye-bye. Those that have stayed, come with me. I will show you. There's our mudroom door. And that will be our steps. Look at this girl. Look at her go. Chica! Chica, chica, chica! She's happy. And for those that are curious, Broden is doing so much better. She had what we suspect was a little stroke. And she was not well. We actually were afraid that we were going to lose her. But we didn't. As you can see, there's our girl. There's our girl. Be careful, Broden. Oh. And there's Bummer. Of course, we all know Bummer. Bummer, Bummer. Bummer, Bummer. Yes. Okay. I'm trying to figure out a way down here. Okay. It's... Nope. Maybe. Okay. Bear with me, guys. Okay, there we go. We're down. It's very slippery here. Greasy. Okay. This here. Yeah, that's everything that was inside. This is going to be our walkout basement porch. Hey, Broden. And then this will be, oh, let's back up. Here's some, can I do it? That will be our rec room window. Sorry guys, laughing at the doggies. Let me see if I can get in. No, it's locked. Okay. For the best. Oh, this will be our walkout basement doors. I'm a little too close for you guys, aren't I? I'm sorry. There's Mr. Van Hellemish.
Hello.
He's a man of few words. That's okay. We love him. So there's the patio door for the walkout basement. And then there's our deck patio doors. Kitchen window. Oh, that could have been a little bit bigger, couldn't it have? Oh, well. Bathroom window. And spare bedroom window. You guys want to walk around the other side? Okay. Oh. You guys did say yes, right? Okay. If not, well, you're coming with me anyway. Okay. There's the side of the house. Yeah. Hi, chica. Excuse me. Oh. Okay, I think I can get up this way. I think I can. I did it! Thank goodness for the straw that they put down. And here's the other side of the house. There's our bedroom window. Yeah. Looking good. Looking good. Okay, guys, turn you back around. Hi, there you are. I've missed seeing you. All right, guys, we're gonna now head to London to spend Christmas with Mom. And yeah, we'll be back and show you more on this wonderful adventure that we're on. All right. You guys subscribe, please. We're not doing this for money or anything. Just, I don't know, kind of lets us know how many people are watching. And if you subscribe, then you get notified when our next video is out. All right, guys. Wishing you the best for a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And we'll see you soon. Okay? Bye! Mwah.